Welcome to Level Up Your Cooking with Ra. This channel is all about leveling up your cooking. Let's get into it with the recipe. I will have the exact measurements of the following ingredients in the description box below. Let's get into it. I'm going to start off by making sure I get a really good sear on this ground lamb before I break her apart. And the only way to do that, in my opinion, is to start off in a very hot and used cast iron skillet. Don't knock it till you try it. I'm adding in my white onions, my green bell peppers, and my red bell peppers to add to the flavor profile for these baked beans. I like to add in my seasonings once my meat is fully browned, just because I feel as though the seasonings adhere to the meat a lot more better versus if you were to add them while the meat is still raw. Now, there wasn't a need for me to drain any of the fat, and as you can see, most of the fat has evaporated. So I went ahead and I've transferred my meat into a bigger pan for more space and opportunity to add in the rest of my ingredients. One more thing. Scallions, like, who would I be if I did not add scallions in here? All right, so we got everything fully combined here. I'm going to go ahead and taste it just to see if it's tasting the way that I want it to. Okay, very important, always taste your food. I think we need just a little bit more barbecue sauce. I'm adding in some more Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce because I felt as though it just needed some extra added sweetness. Okay, so I got some of that in there, and then I'm also going to be adding in some extra herbs to bring this all together. Now, I'm gonna let these cook on the stove for about probably like 30 minutes. These were literally some of the best baked beans that I have ever made. Like, my prior mediocre baked bean recipes from the past don't even compare. Now this one, however, is very rich, savory, and big on flavor, just how I like it. I love how the ground lamb leveled up the flavor profile to these baked beans. So with that being said, right, I would challenge you to switch it up and use the ground lamb instead. And also make sure to have this recipe here in rotation at your next family function. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment. I love those. If you are new here, welcome. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Listen, if you are not subscribed by now, what are you doing? Hello? Especially if you enjoy watching content like this.